Okay, I'll tell you the question and answer in English, okay?
No.
Question in English, in English.
We'll try to frame.
Fine, do that.
Use 27.
Try to frame the question and answer in Arabic, that is, using lam. If you're finding it difficult, I'll give you a hint, but only after you try once. Okay, this particular noun here, what's the Javed? Ibn, son, okay? Yes. So this should be, inshallah. If you are able to crack this, I'm proud of you, alhamdulillah. Can I have a look at that?
Sure.
Just a minute.
Here I have cut it.
Fine. Where is the lam? Where is the al of sa'atun? And you haven't even put lam, which is the most necessary one. Yeah, can I have a look? Okay, let's see. Can you read this out? Okay, wait. You don't read this out. How much have you were able to? Okay, at least the question should be easy. Okay, that's correct. The answer. Okay, at least the first part of the answer. Okay. Okay, now leave out the lam. You're right. Your answer is right, okay? Leave out the lam, okay? Now combine these two in possessive case. That's how you do it, okay? Okay, you can write it down. Yes, principal. And this is ibn. Okay, Brother Javed, while she's attempting that, Good. There is a slight spelling mistake, but it's correct. I understand that you have understood it. Okay.
What is the spelling mistake?
We'll come to that. Okay. Who is this? Okay, fine. See, hazihi sa'atu, that's the first part of the sentence, that's a mubtada. Okay, leave out lam for now. Combine these two. What does it become? Ibnul Mudiri. Now combine lam to Ibnul Mudiri. What does it become?
Libnul Mudiri.
Okay, lam, that's almost correct. That's almost correct. The only thing you need to do is, now if lam comes, what happens to the first noun?
Okay, ibni.
Yes. Libnil Mudiri. Hadhihi sa'atu libnil Mudiri. That's right. But that's not how you write libni. How you write is like this. Wait, I'll just show you. Like this. See, we have hadhihi sa'atu. This is as it is. Okay. Lib. Okay. We have this.
Alif is Hamzatul Wasl.
Yeah, of course. Libnil Mudiri.
Got it.
So it's like this. All right. So, can I have a look at that? Yeah. I'll just show you how to write the lam. It's like this. Fine. So this is how you write Libni, but you don't need to write this swad. It's just I've just put it so that you know that it is a Hamzatul Wasl.
The rest is correct.
Correct. It's correct. Yep, it's correct. So it was interesting, right?
Yes.
So basically, what has happened here is we are relating this watch to the Ibn, who is in turn related to Mudir. So these two we relate by possessive case, and these two we relate by lam. Lam, okay? The preposition lam. Okay, the next few slides are like that. Whose turn was it? Do you remember?
It was for a
General thing, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll start off with the sister this time. You get to ask the question, okay? You have to ask the question now. Yes. Actually, for this, the question is very simple. Is the answer? Huh? Okay, it's not deek, it's hen. It's hen.
The jar.
Seven.
Right? The jar.
No. I've already been lenient with you, okay? You've already made mistake again and again, and I've just let it go. Huh? Answer from you.
Tilka Dajjajatu Libintil Fallah.
Good. Libintil fallahi. Tilka dajajatu libintil fallahi. Any doubts here? Simple. Fine. The next question from you. Huh? Okay. Answer. It's okay. Go on. What for Libnil Muhandisi? Okay.
The Raj.
Okay. Now the whole sentence. The whole sentence now.
The Rajatu.
Yes.
Nil Muhandisi.
Good. Very good. Okay. Now the last one, and you get to ask. That is, ask. Simple.
Okay. Liman hazal labnu. Liman hazal labnu. Yes.
Labnu liqittil rajuli.
Liqittir rajuli. Okay. So again, remember. Whenever in these types, whenever we join lam to this possessive case, we always remember the fact that there is no al for this particular noun.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So we have bintul fallahi, li bintil fallahi. We have ibnul mudiri, libnil mudiri. Okay, this I have already told. And ibnul muhandisi, libnil muhandisi. Qittur rajuli, liqittir rajuli. Can you say that? Okay. Now what are the points? 6 all, right?
Yeah.
No, you didn't win. I've been lenient with you, okay? Okay. 6 all. Sadly, we are on a tie, which I don't really like as a result. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll just continue with our lesson. I hope the exercise was interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Yes. Now I'll just be back. Just some water. Today's lesson is very interesting. I find it very interesting.
Suppose it's
The one coming up now. Okay. Bismillah. Yes. Now we remember this. Hadha baitun. Okay. And we also know the difference between this. And we also learned this. Okay. This is all a part of the revision of the last lesson. Yes. Today's lesson. Lesson number 9. Adjectives in Arabic. Adjectives in Arabic. Lesson number 9. Okay. In Arabic, the adjective is known by the term naat. Naatun. Noon, ayn, ta. Ta. Okay. Naatun. Okay. I'll have to just move a bit. Yes. The noun that is described by the adjective. The noun that is described by the adjective is known as man'ut. Mim, noon, ayn, waw, ta. For now, it's alright if you don't remember the terms. Okay. It's alright if you don't remember the terms at all. Just remember the rules related to the naat and man'ut, the noun, the adjective and the noun described. Yes. Now here's the main lesson. The adjective agrees with the noun described in 4 aspects. In 4 aspects. Okay. What I mean by this particular sentence is, for example, we have house. Okay. We say, for example, big house. Big house. Now the word big is the adjective and house is the noun. Okay. Now in English, the thing is, the adjectives used are like universally used. You can use the word big for any and every noun without any specific rules related to that, right? But in Arabic, that's not the case. Now we have big house. Big is the adjective, house is the noun described. Okay. Now in Arabic, what happens is the adjective, in this case big, agrees with the noun described. The noun described in this case is house. House. Okay. The adjective agrees with the noun described in 4 aspects. 4 aspects. So based on 4 aspects of the noun, the adjective changes. Okay. I hope you can, we'll come to that. I hope you can get an idea of what I'm trying to say. Okay. I won't give you any examples because that will give out the 4 aspects. Now, out of the 4 aspects, we are already aware of 3. We have already learned them. Okay, we are already aware of them. So as usual, I'm not going to teach you the 4 aspects. You're going to have to figure it out. At least the 3 of the 4. The 3 of the 4 that we've already learned, you have to figure it out. I'll give you clues and inshallah you'll easily be able to figure it out. Okay? Fine. Any doubts here?
No.
So basically, in Arabic, there are 2 components when it comes to adjectives. We have the adjective itself known as naat. We have the noun that is described by the adjective known as man'ut. Okay. Now, based on 4 aspects of the noun described, the adjective changes. Okay. Any doubts here? Okay, fine. So let's begin then. Now you need to figure out the 3 of the 4 aspects by yourself. Inshallah, you will easily be able to do it. Okay. Okay. What does this mean?
A house.
A house. Okay. Yes.
That is the.
Slow down. Yes. And okay. Now open your book and pen. I need you to write down stuff. Okay. What is this? Write this down and write its meaning. Done? Okay. What have you written as the meaning?
A house.
A house, yes. Okay, not just house, because that matters. Okay, done? Fine. Now, I'll put the next slide. Don't say anything. Just try to like write down whatever is written here and then try to translate it. What do you think this means? Don't tell me the answer. Don't tell me the answer verbally, just write it down. You don't have to give me the right answer. I'm sure if you just think about it closely, you can easily figure out what the thing is, what this could mean. Have you written it down? Done?
Yes.
Okay. No, but you're still thinking. I thought you were still trying to figure it out. Oh, it's okay. You can be wrong because I've not at all explained this. I'm just trying to see how far you can try to. No, done. Okay. Can you read out your answer?
A new house.
A new house. And you? Great. That's right. A new house. A new house. That's it. Okay. What is common in this? In these two?
Both are indefinite.
So,
Exactly. That's it. Simple. Okay. So if we just remove all the unnecessary vowel signs, we have
Baitun Jadid.
Baitun Jadidun. That's it. That's the first aspect which you are able to figure out. What is the first aspect?
Indefinite verb. Jadidun bait.
Okay. Fine. Good. So we have Baitun Jadidun. Okay. Baitun Jadidun. It means
A new house.
a new house. Okay. Now the common thing about these two is they both are indefinite. That's one of the concept. Now yes. Now we were able to figure out the meaning of this. Okay. Now I'll give you another sentence. Okay. Now this was just a part of a sentence or just an example. Now I'll give you a sentence. You write it down and translate it. Write it down and translate it. Again, don't tell anything. Okay. Don't open your mouth. Yes. Simple. Very simple. Done? Okay. Again, I'm sure you're right. What is it?
This is the new house.
This is a new house. Simple. See, we had a new house. Only Haza is added. That's it. This is a new house. Simple. Now, here's something interesting. Now you were right in this. Okay. This is a new house. Okay. Now I'll give you in the next slide. I'll give you a sentence in English. Not a sentence, a part of a sentence rather. And you have to write it in Arabic. Let's see how well you can figure it out. Don't say anything. Just translate this into Arabic. Let's see how far you can do it. This is not a sentence, by the way. This is not a sentence. This is a part of a sentence. How do you write this in Arabic? Just think over and write, okay? Think carefully and write. Done? Done? Can I have a look at that? Just think about what this means.
Done.
What does that mean? Just ask yourself and answer. Where is it?
Last. The same page, last.
Same mistake, both of you. Now, both of you have written هذا البيت جديد. Exactly what I thought you would write. Okay? So that's why this was the next slide, okay? What does this mean? This is exactly what I thought you would write, okay? So that's why this is the next slide.
This is the new house.
Yeah, the new house. This.
Wait. What is the mubtada? What is the khabar?
هذا البيت is مبتدا جديد is خبر.
So how would you understand it? How would you translate it?
هذا البيت جديد. It's a new house.
Please be more specific, more accurate. Yes, tell me, please. What does this mean? This part of the sentence.
This house.
Is new.
What did I tell you to translate? This new house. This new house. It's not a sentence. What you've told me is a sentence in itself. What you've told me is this house is new.
هذا بيت جديد.
Yes, هذا البيت جديد. This is a whole sentence.
New house.
This house is new. It's not a new house. What you're saying?
Go back to your sentence.
This new house, it's not a sentence. I told you clearly it is not a sentence. It's a part of a sentence. It's a part. Very close. It's a part of a sentence. It's not a complete sentence. You're very close. Just write it down. Write down whatever you want to say. You're very close, by the way. You're very close to figuring out the answer.
هذا بيت جديد. هذا بيت جديد.
هذا بيت جديد. No, wrong.
هذا بيت جديد.
You were very close to getting the answer. Now what I want is this new house. What you have given me is this house is new. There's a huge difference. This is not a complete sentence. Okay.
بيت هذا جديد.
No. Okay, I'll give you another clue. Remember this sentence?
هذا بيت جديد.
Remember this sentence? It's based on the same format, except one change.
Yeah, the haza next. Before the baitul.
Yes, but what does that become?
البيت جديد.
That is, the house is new. I want this new house.
Incomplete
This
sentence.
incomplete sentence. It's just a mubtada. It's just a subject. I haven't completed my statement. It's just this new house. Fine. See. What you had done here is what I thought you would do, and you did right exactly the same thing is هذا البيت جديد. ठीक है? هذا البيت جديد. Remove al. What happens?
هذا بيت جديد.
هذا
بيت جديد.
هذا
Baitun jadid.
بيت جديد. If you remove al, huh?
Okay.
If you remove al, obviously the it comes back, right? Yes. هذا بيت جديد. Okay. Now remember this sentence. And this sentence. What else is the difference? What else is the difference?
بيت جديد.
Between this sentence and this sentence, what else is the difference?
Al.
Where?
In front of بيت.
Other than that.
ألف.
Okay. Wait. What had you figured out here?
Baitun jadidun.
Okay. What had you figured out here as the agreement?
بيت
Baitun
جديد.
jadidun.
What? Okay. What is the aspect that we had learnt?
It's
First aspect.
Indefinite now.
Both are
Both are indefinite, right? Both are indefinite. Remember that point. Okay? Now coming to this. Which is definite, which is indefinite?
Baitu is definite.
Al-Baitu is?
Al-Baitu is definite.
Huh?
Jadidun is indefinite.
So correct that.
هذا
هذا
البيت
البيت جديد. هذا البيت جديد. جديد.
Wait. Al.
هذا البيت جديد.
Al.
هذا بيت جديد.
No. Al is there. Now what do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'll tell.
هذا البيت.
See, the only thing is, I want you to figure it out on your own. Yes, come on.
الجديد.
Yes, the whole thing.
هذا البيت الجديد.
هذا بيت
هذا البيت الجديد.
الجديد.
Again.
هذا البيت الجديد.
Hadal Baitul Jadidu. That is what I wanted. Al. All of them. Hadal Baitul Jadidu. This new house. Any doubts? Of course, we'll have a lot of doubts. Yes, tell me.
Definite.
Yes. Because this became definite.
The question in English is this.
See. This new house. Now if we remove Al Jadid, okay? What does this become? Hadal Bait. This house. Okay, now the interesting thing about Arabic verbs, Arabic adjectives is, when we say Baitun, it is a house. Baitun Jadidun, a new house. So in English, the adjective comes before the noun, but in Arabic the adjective comes after the noun. Okay? For example, if I say for example, a new, and I don't say anything else, what do you understand? Nothing at all. Okay? If I say a house, what do you understand?
Just
A house, that's it. Now in Arabic, if I say Baitun, what do you understand? A house. Baitun Jadidun?
new house.
Yes. So basically my point is, even if you just say the first word, you'll get some meaning out of it. For example, we have Hadha Baitun Jadidun. If we don't say Jadidun, does it make sense? Hadha Baitun. Does it make sense? Hadha Baitun.
This house.
No.
Hadha Baitun.
It's incomplete.
This is a house. It's complete. It's a sentence.
Okay, this is a house. Yes.
This is a house. Yes. So if we, for example, no, see, I'll tell you what the point I'm trying to make is. If we say Hadha Baitun, what does that mean?
This is a house.
This is a house. Okay. Now Hadha Baitun Jadidun, what does that mean?
This is a new house.
This is a new house. Now in English,
New house.
no. In English, if we say this is a new and I stop, it doesn't make sense. But in Arabic, if I say Hadha Baitun and I stop, it still does make sense. Yes. And then the adjective comes.
This house.
Yes.
Okay.
Whether it is big, whether it's
Exactly. So the point I'm trying to make is, even if you stop
it will be
in the end. No, listen. Here it agrees to the indefinite. Because this is indefinite, this is also indefinite. It is always the adjective conforming to the noun. Okay?
The second point, the manput
It's making double.
describes by
Exactly. Yes. That's what I was trying to see. Again, we'll come back to the first slide. Okay?
This second one.
The second one. The noun that is described by the adjective is known as man'ut. The adjective agrees with the noun described in 4 aspects. Okay, 4 aspects. What is the first aspect?
Indefinite. Both are indefinite.
Both are indefinite. Okay. And the second aspect?
The second aspect is it.
Actually, no. Actually, we haven't come to that yet. The first aspect is either it is definite or indefinite.
Okay.
Okay. So yes. So now we were able to figure out this Baitun Jadidun, a new house. Baitun Jadidun. Okay. Hadha Baitun Jadidun. This is a new house. Okay. Now this new house, how do you say?
Hadal Baitul Jadid.
Hadal Baitul Jadidu. Hadal Baitul Jadidu. Okay. Any doubts here? So what has happened is, here, because Baitun is indefinite with a double dhamma, the noun describing it, Jadidun, is also indefinite with a double dhamma. Okay. For example, if I say Hadha Masjidun, and I want to describe the masjid as big, how would you describe it?
Hadal Masjidul Kabir.
A masjid, some random masjid.
Masjidul Kabir.
Hadha Masjidun Kabirun. Simple as that. For example, we have Hadha Waladun Tawilun. Hadha Waladun Tawilun. What does that mean?
This boy is tall.
No. Hadha Waladun Tawilun.
Waladun.
It's a tall boy. He's a tall boy.
This boy, no, sorry. This is a tall boy. This is a tall boy. Okay, this is a Hadal waladu tawilun is what you said. I hope you get it.
Okay.
Hadal waladu tawilun is what you yes, this boy is tall. That's not what it is.
This is a tall.
This is a tall boy. Hada waladun tawilun. Hada waladun means this boy. This is a boy. Hada waladun tawilun means this is a tall boy. Or Hada waladun means this is a boy. Hada waladun qasirun means this is a short boy. And so on. So basically, if the noun described is indefinite with a double dhamma, the adjective is also indefinite. Okay? Okay? The first, yes. Now, coming to this is a complete sentence, and Jadid here is it an adjective?
It's an adjective, but it cannot be.
It's not an adjective. It is not an adjective. It is just a khabar. It is a khabar for the mubtada. This is the mubtada, this is the khabar. Okay? Now if we add al to this as well, it becomes an adjective for this. Okay? 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 So here it's not a complete sentence. Mind you, this whole thing is what?
Incomplete.
What is it called in Arabic?
New house.
What is it called in Arabic?
Possessive case?
No. Hada, exactly, mubtada.
Okay.
Mubtada, this is the subject. This new house, what about that? For example, qaribun. This new house is near.
Hadha baytul jadidul qaribun.
Hadal baytul jadidu qaribun. Qaribun, single word, khabar. Okay, simple. Okay, let it digest. It's okay. Okay, I know it's pretty heavy for beginners.
Still, I'm little. I got all your points, but my thinking is why it's so. I mean, like when it says hadal baytul jadid, meaning is same.
No, it's
Why
not.
is hadal
It's not. See, we'll come to that again. See, hadal baytu. Okay, we come to Urdu for now. Urdu, okay?
English is much easy. This house is new. This
Yeah.
is a new house.
Yes.
better.
ये घर नया है. Okay? ये घर नया है. This is ये नया घर.
ये नया घर.
There's a huge difference. ये नया घर, what about that? You haven't given me any khabar about ये नया घर. Whereas here, when I say ये घर नया है, it's a complete sentence in itself.
Got it.
Got it? Okay. The only thing you need to remember for now, okay? If the noun described is indefinite with a double dhamma, the adjective is also indefinite with a double dhamma. If it is not, if if this is definite, for example, in this case, if this is definite but this is indefinite, this can't be a khabar. This can't be an adjective. This is a khabar. Okay? Any doubts here? So basically, for jadid to be an adjective in this particular case, al should be added to jadid as well, and the same change happens here as well. The double dhamma becomes single dhamma because of al. Any doubts here? Okay, fine. So we have hadal baytul jadidu, ye naya ghar, or this new house, whereas this is hadal baytul jadidun, ye ghar naya hai, this house is new. Any doubts here? Okay, we have only covered the first aspect, by the way. First aspect, write it down. The first aspect that the adjective should agree to in terms to the noun described, to the aspect of noun described is whether it is definite or indefinite.
First adjective.
No. See, the adjective agrees. The adjective agrees to four aspects. The first aspect is either it is definite or indefinite. It's simple. If the noun is indefinite, the adjective is indefinite. If the noun is definite, the adjective is definite. That's it. Simple as that. Four aspects. Okay. So what you write is, firstly, indefinite slash definite. Indefinite slash definite. So what you understand by that is, if the noun described is indefinite, the adjective is also indefinite with a double dhamma. If the noun described is definite with a single dhamma, the adjective is also definite. Any doubts here? So if both are definite, both have to have al. Mandatory, okay? If not, the adjective becomes a khabar and it's no longer an adjective. Okay? Even though the meaning may be same to some extent, halanki it is, even the meaning is completely different. So it's not, okay? Any doubts here? Yes, hadal baytul, and you write down even hada baytun jadidun as well, so that you can understand the difference. And inshallah, I'll send you the PPTs, so you'll have all the notes inshallah as well. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does this mean now? Now please don't make mistakes. Think and tell me, what does this mean?
This new.
Where is this?
New. No, earlier I saw the hazard.
Okay, this.
This new.
What does this mean?
The
Again,
new house.
huh?
The new house.
Exactly, the new house. Okay, here we had Baitun Jadidun, a new house. Now because al is added, now if we add al to this,
We need to add it
to this as well, if we want this to be a adjective for this. Simple. Okay, we had Baitun Jadidun. Baitun, because it is indefinite, even Jadidun is indefinite. Now because we add al to this becomes definite. So even this has to become definite for this to become an adjective for Bait. Any doubts here? Fine. Okay, the next one is pretty simple. The next aspect is pretty simple.
First one.
That was the first one, yes. Out of the 4 aspects, you are alhamdulillah able to figure out the first one.
Or the second.
Now the second one. Now let's see if you can figure this out. It's simple. It's extremely simple.